Hello everyone, I am Heiskia Ashley Arbautista from Kinder Humility. Are you ready for a story? Today I gotta read an exciting story. Let's begin. My Garden by Kevin Henkes. My mother has a garden. I'm her helper. I water, I weed, and I chase away the rabbits. So that they don't eat the lettuce. And my mother's garden is very nice. But if I had a garden, there would be no weeds. And flowers would keep blooming and blooming and never die. In my garden, the flower can change color. Just my thinking about it. Pink, blue, green, purple, even patterns. And if you picked a flower, another one grow right back in its place. In my garden, the rabbits not eat the lettuce because it's chocolate and I would eat them. If I have a planted seashells, I'd grow seashells. If I have a planted jelly beans, I'd grow a great big jelly beans bush. Sometime in my garden, good unusual things would pop up. Buttons and umbrellas and old keys. In my garden, there would a bird and a butterfly by 100, so that the air was humid and wings. The tomatoes would be big as a beach balls because I don't like carrot. At night, the morning glories would stay open, shining like stars, and the strawberries would grow like lanterns. It's night now. Only the fireflies and the porch light are glowing. Before bed, I take the seashells from the shelf in my room and go to the garden. I poke the seashell into the ground. Who knows what might happen? I cover it up with dirt and pat down the dirt with my foot. What are you doing? Asked my mother. Oh, nothing, I say. Just working in the garden. Bye. Thank you.